Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I am discussing the continuing topic, which is security and ethical challenges in MIS. So before taking this lecture, in the last video I have told you which are the security challenges and which are the ethical challenges in MIS. Also I told you about cyber crime. So simply cyber means internet, crime means any kind of illegal activity. So whenever crimes are there on internet, it's called cybercrime. So today let's understand the types of cybercrime. Here we can see 8 types of cybercrime are given. These are identity theft, means somebody is stealing somebody else's ID and using as Gmail ID or Facebook ID or account of anyone. That's called identity theft. Copyright infringement. Copyright means you are having ownership on anything, but someone is duplicating, someone is preparing duplicate things of your copyright thing. That's called copyright infringement. Click fraud means internet fraud. On any website, if you click any link, that's create fraud with you. That's called click fraud. Next, advance fee fraud. Some companies and some websites ask for paying some money. That's called fee, advance fee fraud. They are asking for paying advance fee for any course, but they are not helping you to do any course. That's called advance fee fraud. Hacking is, usually we all know, hacking is the illegal access on somebody else account. किसी के account पे without permission if you are accessing, that's hacking. Computer virus, we all know, in our computer there can be virus in our files, in our devices, in our folders. That's computer virus. Unauthorized access means without permission. If we reach somebody, if we steal somebody's password, somebody's pin, ATM pin. Data loss, if somebody's information is leaked. If say there is an employee who is cheating with the organization and leaks the information of organization with other person, that's called data loss. So these are the types of cyber crime. Next, information system security. So in this topic I have discussed the challenges to security and ethics. Now which kind of security we can provide to our information system, that's called information system security. So MIS security refers to measures mean तरीके और उपाय put in place to protect IS means information system resources from unauthorized access, means without permission access. Information system ethics. First of all, learn the meaning of ethics. Ethics refers to नैतिक शिक्षा. एथिक्स मीन्स होता है मॉरल साइंस, और इन हिंदी वी कैन से नैतिक शिक्षा. तो एथिक रेफर्स टू रूल्स ऑफ राइट एंड रॉन्ग द पीपल यूज टू मेक चॉइसेस टू गाइड देयर बिहेवियर. सो एथिक मीन्स रूल्स टू राइट एंड रॉन्ग. Ethics in MIS seek or try to protect and safeguard individuals, means single person, and society by using information system responsibly. Ethics tells us what is right, what is wrong. So ethics in MIS tells us how to use information system ethically and responsibly. So information system security and information system ethics I have discussed. So this topic is completed today. Challenges in security and ethical challenges in MIS. So this topic is complete today. It's an important topic. Just go through it. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.